Okay. Yeah. So now I'm opening the Excel sheet. Forms is done. Now let's go to conversions. What is it conversions? If you are converting or migrating any data from any third party system or from an Excel sheet into SAP as a part of data load, right? So that is known as the conversions. Okay, data loads, right? So what are the different tools that we are using in order to do the data loads? Okay, that we need to understand. What are the different tools available? One is LTMC. Okay. Second is LSMW. Okay. One is LTMC and the second one is LSMW. What is LTMC? Legacy transaction migration cockpit. Okay. What is LSMW? Legacy system migration workbench. Okay. So these are the two tools available in SAP. And moreover, in SAP S4HANA, we will use LTMC only. Okay. We are using LTMC only in order to upload the bulk list of data, master data, okay, into the SAP system. Okay. And what is LSMW? Even LSMW is the same thing. So we will using LSMW, we can upload bulk data into the system. Okay, like for the master data, like if you want to enter bulkly the list of work center, if you want to create a what else routings, correct? If you want to create a production version, all can be done using the concept called LSMW. Same case, even you can use LTMC also. So, in order to understand these two concepts of LTMC and LSMW, we will go and see the demo to upload two different set of master data. What are those? In LTMC, using LTMC, okay, we will try to upload. We'll try to upload material master. Okay, we will try to upload the material master. But whereas using LSMW, we will try to upload work center master data. Okay. These are the two examples that we are going to see today. Okay, right. Now first we will go to LTMC. LTMC. Very easy. Yeah? No need to worry and all. Right. So LTMC compared to LSMW, LTMC is too easy. Why it is easy? Because SAP themselves has came up with the standard templates in LTMC. Okay. So now let me go to this SAP screens. Okay. I'll close this. Okay, right. Now I'll close this as well. Right. What is the transaction code you need to enter in order to go to the cockpit, migration cockpit of LTMC slash n LTMC. The transaction code itself is LTMC. Okay. So it will take you through another window. So click on this website. Now you are entering into the cockpit. So I have entered my same login credentials, the same user ID and password is welcome123. Okay. So system is taking you through the portal based LTMC cockpit. Okay. This one. Right. Now what we need to do? We will need to create. We need to create one project. Okay. Create. So what is the project we are thinking to create? LTMC underscore material master underscore 11th May. 11th May. Okay. Just you can also give your name also. Okay, no need to, no such restriction. Just for the sake of understanding, we are just giving this kind of name. Okay, and mass transfer ID. You just enter the mass transfer ID, right? And what happened to this showing? Oh, right. Okay. Next, enter this as 00M. Okay. There is no difference in this, so it can be 00 whatever. Okay. Any three digit system will show on its own. Click on create. Okay. When you click on create, system is creating one migration project. Okay. Under this migration project, you will have variety of templates. Okay. You have variety of templates. So under this templates, you can you need to choose the proper template. Okay. Now click on yeah. Okay. This window is too very small. I just want to try to move this window to the up, but seems it is not possible. Okay, no need to worry. So click on scroll down. Okay, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. What is that we are trying to enter here? Material master, no? So as I told, right? So in LTMC, SAP themselves has came up with the standard templates because they found SAP has found that uh, the users or the consultants are facing problems in LSMW in creation of standard template because in LSMW we only need to create, but whereas in LTMC SAP has understood the problem and they themselves came up with the basic standard templates. Okay, so in that purpose we are just checking for the material. So this one, you see, material, this one show for this is the standard template. Double click on this. Okay, so click on OK. It will take some 1 or 2 minutes because we are going through the standard template of the material master. Okay. And as a part of LTMC, what we need to do, just you need to fill the template in Excel sheet, upload, that's it. Only two simple steps. You will download the template, you will fill the template, and you will just upload the template. And all the materials which you had created using that template will be created. Okay. See, system will take 1 or 2 minutes, to retrieve and to send it back. Okay. See, it is loading still. Let me, till then, I'll stop the recording. Why unnecessarily we are recording? It is anyway loading, right? So just stop the recording. Okay. So now that whatever we created, right? So the material master got added to our migration project. Okay. Okay. Now, what we need to do? We need to first download, no? Download the template, right? Because after downloading the template only we can able to fill that particular details on the template and you can re-upload again. So click on the download button. So click on save as. Okay, save as. So en underscore material 2. Okay, next it is an Excel sheet, right? So all files. Okay, click on save. So open folder. So open that folder, open the file. Okay, right. Now I will close this and where we will go, I will also close this. Okay. Now I have downloaded, correct? Now I will go to the local folder. Okay. I'll go to the local folder and where I have downloaded here. Okay, in the downloads. So this is the one I have downloaded. Metal 2. So double click on this metal 2. Okay. You see here, this is a standard SAP provided template for the metal master. See, not only for metal master, any kind of master data, SAP will provide the templates as a part of LTMC. Okay, you see, the basic data one tab is there, basic data two is there, storage location data is there, forecast parameters, all the details are there in this tabs. Okay, so only responsibility of ours is we need to fill these details properly and we need to re-upload this sheet again so that the materials will be created. That is the only task we need to do. Okay, now there is one constraint here. What is the constraint? For whatever the material you are creating as a part of the LTMC, that material type should have the external number range. Okay, that material type should have the external number range. Okay, and you will specify the numbers. Okay, you will specify the numbers here. It can be external number range, but you can use the metal codes. Okay, like how if I go to there is one more sheet available with me. Okay, if I go to this sheet, right, you see here already we had used this many list of materials for uploading using LTMC. Okay, what we will do now? We will continue from 5. Okay, so copy this material, go to our sheet. What is our sheet? This blank sheet, correct? Under basic data, enter the material number as 5. 4 is already created, correct? 5. Drag it down. Acha, 5 why it is not coming? 5. Okay. Let me enter 6 here. Okay. So select this 2. Drag it down. Okay, it is not coming. Eh? No problem. 7, 8, 9. Okay. This means materials only we will enter. You got it? So I'll just enter the material and I will go back to the Excel sheet. The template, I have one template already. Okay. In order to save some time and all, I've just made the template. So what is it we need to add? English language key is English. Metal description. Metal description is this one. Okay. LTMC 5. This is 5, This 5. Description can be your name also, right? So that is not a problem. So 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Next, industry sector. What is the industry sector you enter when you create a material? M, right? Mechanical engineering. So M. So take this M. Paste here M. What is the material type? What is that you are creating? Are you creating a ROH or a FERT or semi-finished? What is it? I am creating packaging metals. So the packaging metal type is VERT. You can enter any metal type on your own, like right? FERT or ROH or whatever you can enter. Just I am entering a VERT packaging materials. Okay, next. What is the next step? See, a lot of time in this LTMC when they have assigned LTMC to you or you say that you know LTMC, you need to be very careful in uploading this template. Okay, based on the data you receive from the client, you consolidate, maintain it on Excel sheet, make it proper, and then bring and paste it in the template. Okay. So what is KEDLB? I will tell you what is KEDLB. Okay. Next, what is the next field we need to enter? Scroll to the right side. Metal group. Metal group. And the unit of measure I will also enter. Okay. And general item category group we will enter. Okay. So go back here. Scroll to the right side. Metal group, like this. Okay. Next, what else? Okay, see how many views are there. I have not entered anything other than this. You can enter in the real time. If the client give you details, you can enter each and every field details. Okay, that is not a problem. But for now, I have entered these many details. Now go to the plant data tab. Okay, plant data tab. So enter the same details. Now I'm going back to our sheet. Copy the list of materials. Correct. Go to the plant data tab. Enter the material number. Enter the plant 1710. Correct. Plant is 1710 no. So enter the plant. So copy, paste. Next, material views. In the material views, enter KEDLB. Okay. So copy this KEDLB. KEDLB. Okay. Now go to the field template. Scroll to the right side. Checking group for availability of material. Availability check, correct? So checking group, which is there in ninth column. 9. Okay. Ninth. Right. Next, what else? PD. MRP type is PD. Okay. MRP type is PD. 31st column. Okay. MRP type is PD. Next, what else? You are getting no? This is how we are filling the template. Okay. MRP controller I am entering. Lot sizing procedure I am entering. Okay. And procurement type also I am entering. Okay. Starting from where? MRP type. MRP type is completed. MRP controller 35. So go to the number 35 here. Okay. MRP control enter like this. Okay. Next, what else? What else? Procurement type. We have copied this as well, so nothing to worry. So all got entered. Okay. Right. Now, plant data is also completed. Okay. Next, what is the next thing? Plant data is also complete. Storage location data, correct? So go to here, storage location data. Okay, copy this to, right? Copy this to, go to our sheet, copy this. What is the metal number list? This one, no? So copy this, storage location data, enter the metal number. Okay, right. What else? Next, what else? Forecast parameters I'm not entering, production resource data I'm not entering, warehouse number data I'm not entering, storage type data I'm not entering. I'll just enter the accounting data. Okay. So this is my plant and this is my valuation class. Okay. So control C. Next I will just put it here under accounting now. So production, warehouse, storage, accounting. Okay. Control V. What is the material number? Go to the basic data. This is our list of materials. Okay. We are into accounting now. Fine. And now what else? I'm going back to the standard template sheet, right? So moving a price indicator, we are need to enter. Okay. And other than that, is there anything? No. Right. So go back here, copy this price indicator, column number 10. Column number 10. Okay. Next, what else? Nothing. All are maintained pretty decent, so nothing to worry. Now, the last step and the very important step you need to do. Okay, what we need to do? You see here we are being keeping saying on the views as KEDLB, KEDLB. What is meant by KEDLB? Each alphabet denotes your each metal view. Okay, right? So I will show in the Google itself what is it each alphabet that is denoting. So, but for now, just try to copy this. Okay, go to this main our sheet. Okay. So where we need to go? We need to go to the last tab, maintenance status setting. Okay, like this. You got it? So what is this KEDLB? All those things, KEVDLB, all those things. Okay, let me show you in the system, Google. Okay, you're getting no till now. You got simple. What we are doing? We're just entering the details. That's it. Okay. So material master for using LTMC material views, right? Material views. Okay. You see here, what does it every indicate alphabet is referring to? If it is KEDLB, K is what basic data, E is purchasing data, D is MRP data, L is storage data, and B is accounting data. If you want to add sales data, you will add KEVDLB. You're getting no? So that we need to mention because we need to tell the system no what are all the data that basic views that I'm going to maintain, that I'm going to uh, maintain through this LTMC. So that material views we need to enter here. Okay, got it? Now that's fine. No, no, you can enter in any way. You can enter in any way. Okay, right. Now, basic settings we have did. Basic settings we have did. Okay, and you can also see the field in the field list. SAP has provided what are all the data type and data length for each field, the descriptions for that field, all those things. Very good thing I think SAP has done, that in this LTMC because there is no headache for the end user to do all these things. But whereas in LSMW, end user only should, I mean, end user in the sense the either the consultant or user only should do the mapping of each and everything. We will see that also. No need to worry. But for now, we will check this metal how to upload the metal master. So we have saved our sheet. Okay, we have entered the details and we had shared our sheet, saved our sheet. Okay, okay, just a second. Right, why it is showing here? No problem. Close this, close this, close this Excel sheet. We have anyway saved our Excel sheet. Now close this as well. Now, what is the next step? We need to upload, right? We need to upload. So upload file, browse, material 2, open. So material master. Arey, why this is showing here? This is I don't know. Somewhere from somewhere I'll get anger when I look this that pop up. Okay, material master. What is today? The 11th May. Okay. This is the sheet we are going to upload now. So just to give the descriptions, click on upload. Okay, it is uploading now. Okay, now select this row, click on activate. Okay, click on activate. You activated. Now click on start transfer. Okay, after activating only, you need to click on start transfer. So it will just prompt one message. Just click on OK. Now it is now uploading. Uploading and started transferring to the database. Right now, you will see what is going to happen and what is that system is doing in the backend. You see, data validation takes some time to complete. You can wait the validation to complete or leave this window. Okay. So if you leave this window, the current process continues in the background and you can resume at any time. Okay. You can run it this as in the background also and you can do your own work. Okay, but since we have very less details of the material list, so we are not expecting this that this will take much time. Hence, we will see. Okay. It takes some 40 to 50 seconds for in order to complete the progress to 100%, and then only I'll get an option to close that. Okay. It is taking much time than the usual. I don't know why. By this time, it should have completed to 100%. We cannot do anything. You will wait. Okay, before that, right? So I'll stop the recording. Okay, resume the recording. Okay, so now it has progressed from 5% to 100%. Correct. Now click on close. Okay, right. Now, as soon as you click on close, what will happen? Is to scroll down. Okay, information. It is showing there is some information. It is showing. Our main focus is errors. Are there any errors? No, nothing is there. Fine, we are good. So errors should not be there. Okay. Next, warnings also should not be there. Okay, right? Now go to the next step. Okay, go to the next step. In this next step, what we need to do, even I forgot what we will do in next step. We will see when the system take us through the next step. We will understand. Okay, yeah. So we need to confirm the mapping values. Okay, so simply what we will do, just select all those things, click on confirm mapping values. Okay, so it is confirming mapping values. So it will take some more time, it seems here. I'll stop the recording, okay? Because unnecessarily, that will be blank shows in the recording, right? So I'll stop once it is completed, then I will start. It has done the mapping, but only one thing it left. Okay, use metal ID for integration with the external systems. It has left. So what we will do? We will do this manually. Okay, no need to worry. So we will do this manually. So click on customizing. No integration. Okay. No integration. Next. Scroll to the down. Make this window. Maximize this window. And click on save. Okay. Right. Actually, right. So what it is asking, do you want to integrate that material to any external third-party system as a part of the data load? It is asking there itself. So I will just say that there is no that much flexibility needed. So when if you want to integrate that material to any third-party system, we will take that further in another RISE. But as a process of data upload, we don't want to have that much luxury. Correct? We don't want to integrate with that material. If we do that, you need to add that logical system for which system you want to integrate, what through what basis you want to integrate all those things. Okay, that we can take in the next step when through a RISEP, right? So there is really that kind of requirement, we will make use of the MATMAS and we will do some integration with any third-party system and we'll do that process. But at least not directly from the LTMC, right? So next, click on next button. Next, what will system does is system simulates the file that we have entered. Okay, data simulation in progress, and it won't take much time because anyway it has read all the data. So it will just try to simulate and understand whether is there are any other errors or not. Okay, right. So this is done. Now click on close. Correct. Now you need to check for errors if there any errors came or not as a process of simulation. So see, go to errors. We'll see errors if there is any errors. No errors. And all. What is all? In the all, start of processing structure has been created. Correct. Now scroll down. Next, click on next button. Okay. See, even in the interviews, right? So definitely they might have you worked on LTMCs. So LTMC is basically used for what purposes? To upload the material master, to upload work center list, to upload BOM, we don't use LTMC, okay? To upload production version, to upload routings, or to upload any of your what else? That's it, no? Those are the master data, right? So, are there any miscellaneous master data also? If you have, you can straight away use this concept of LTMC and you can upload. Okay. So, click on close. Okay. All files have been processed. Choose finish. Click on finish. Okay. So, as soon as you click on finish, what will happen? Your process, the status of that particular file will be converted from in process to finished. See here, in process to finished. So now we will check in system whether it has came or not. Correct? So go to MM60, right? And what is the material types? VERP, right? Packing methods. VERP entered. See, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 created now as per our Excel sheet. Test LTMC 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So likewise, right? So you will not execute in the front end. You will time to time you will run it in the background job and you can do your own work. And system prompts whenever the data has been uploaded successfully. System prompts and it will tell us that the material has been created and that will be shown in the system. You understood now how LTMs? Very simple. Only thing is you need to just sheet maintain the sheet without any errors, okay, carefully, and you'll just upload the sheet and that's it. Our job is done. Okay. Now, what we will do, right? We saw LTMC, correct? We saw LTMC. We are going to see LSMW now. Okay. LSMW we will see. How to upload the data using another tool known as LSMW. Okay. So I'm for that reason I'm just using my ECC system itself. Okay, that is very easy for me for navigation. Right, there is no VDI headache. So what I will do, I'll just go to the ECC system and I will show you the LSMW. Okay, I'll close this straight away. Okay, anyway, I don't need this now. Close. Right. Now I'm logging into my ECC system.